You're all wondering why we came to Jakku. Turns out the scavengers found an Imperial droid in the wreckage, one that could be real important to the First Order. Our plan was to grab the droid and fly. It's never that easy, though. We got the droid, but we've also got stormtroopers landing. Hold up the enemy at the landing pad and reaction control. And I'll try and figure a way out.
Landing pad's getting hot!
Going fast. First fire, work together.
Reactor control room's under fire!
No surrender!
Secure the area!
Fortifying position.
Not looking good. Might have to pull out a reactor control soon.
Deploying bomb.
Reactor controls are locked. Move our defense to the landing pad.
Position!
Remember the General's words. Watch out!
Eyes on the shooter!
Autogun armed.
Landing pad is under attack!
Guess we got a fight on our hands.
First Order commander now landing! Can't see who!
Landing pad's slipping away. Just buy me a little more time, all right?
Remember the General's words. Grenade ready.
We've lost the sector. That's okay. I've got a plan. Fall back and regroup near the supply hold. Transports are on their way to get us out, but they need time. We'll hold the First Order at the supply hold for now. It's as good a choke point as any.
Arming autogun. Throwing grenade. Follow me! Forward! Heads down! Grenade out! They must be stopped! Arming autogun.
First Order reinforcements! What if they're special operatives?
Shield the help from behind!
Finn just joined us. He knows all the tricks of the First Order.
Watch out! The Empire fell, so will they. Go, go, go! Fortifying position. Grenade ready.
There, they are.
Remember the general's orders!
Heavy fire in the halls!
So will they! Grenade ready! Into battle! Grenade ready! Remember the general's words! Grenade ready! Remember the general's words! Emergency ready! Throwing one!
Kylo Ren has been spotted. Better watch it.
Into battle! Deploying bomb!
Short. See him.
This goes on, we're gonna lose the area.
Shield the helpless with our fade out.
The hold is overrun. Fall back to secondary position. We'll try to keep the nearby exit points secure. We manage that, we get outside, we evacuate the droid. If the First Order forces us back, well, there's one more shot.
They're securing the west exit!
The Empire fell, and so will they. Fade out. Turret ready.
They'll have the west exit blocked
Watch
in
out.
seconds. Go!
No surrender! Fight to the end! They must be stopped! Order gun ready. Go, go, go! Throwing one.
Take him down!
No surrender!
Right by.
East exit under attack!
Into battle!
All right.
Talk to your enemy, operative. Landing now!
Arming order gun. Throwing one.
More fighters on the east exit. Go! Go!
I think I see how to get this done.
Remember the General's word! Order gun in place. Watch out!
Sharp. You see him? Wow! Feels like a lucky day.
First Order has blocked both exits. We'll have to retreat, but we are not done.
No surrender!
Kylo Ren has been seen. Watch out.
2 transports made it in undetected. They landed in the wreckage, but if the First Order gets to them first, they'll detonate them. Protect those ships until we're ready to load the droid and fly.
Autogun deployed. Grenade ready. Remember the General's words.
Ray just joined us.
Bomb on the starboard ship!
Follow me! Forward!
Let's see what all the hype's about.
Watch out! Resistance special operative arriving on site!
Shield the help-throwing
Don't let
grenade!
him blow the starboard transport! Don't let him do it!
Fortifying position. The Empire fell! No surrender!
Port vessel is set to blow! Bomb on the port vessel!
Need a bomb squad now!
Remember the General's words!
Elite First Order operative on site! Can't get an ID!
Turrets in place! No problem.
Someone disarm the port side bomb!
Being the best takes a lot out of a man.
Both transports destroyed. They're coming for the droid. We did all we could. Run! We're clear to go. And I've got the droid.